The data on the screens confirms the increase in efficiency we projected.
Yes, the lean manufacturing implementation has been successful.
This is what I wanted to show you. The quality rate is holding at 99.7%.
That's phenomenal for this volume.
47 coaches in production this week means we've exceeded our target by 17 units.
Yeah.
Quality remains high as well.
As you can see, the inventory for the coaches line is fully staged and ready.
Excellent. The quality rate should reflect this efficiency.
This ball joint tolerance is correct.
Confirmed. The steering linkage is aligned.
The electronic level sensors continuously adjust air pressure. As the system compresses, air rapidly inflates.
The kneeling function activates, lowering the coach by 150 millimeters for easy access. It then smoothly returns to driving height.
A little to the right. Okay, easy now, it's almost aligned. Stop right there.
Lower it slowly now.
Watch the left side clearance.
Almost there, hold it steady.
little more to the right, character B. Aligning the laser now, almost there.
Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the left side.
A little to the right, steady now.
Looks good. Set it down.
Analyzing the impact, the blue zones show minimal stress, while the red areas indicate maximum force absorption.
Embedded heating elements rapidly clear the ice, ensuring maximum visibility in harsh conditions.
Thanks to advanced solar control technology, these windows offer exceptional UV.
Ensure the blue harness connects to the main junction box before securing the ties.
Got it. Aligning with the schematic now.
Now center line is clear.
Copy that, dropping 5 feet. Looks aligned.
Experience the next level of passenger comfort with the FlixBus premium seat, featuring an ergonomic design, adjustable headrest, and smooth reclining mechanism. This coach features a professional air filtration system with a visible HEPA filter, actively working to enhance your health and comfort.
Is that segment locked in place yet?
Almost, just tightening the final clamp.
All right, secure that clamp on the primary exchanger.
It's tight.
Check the flow regulator next.
Demonstrating the smooth reclining action, the seat tilts back a full 40 degrees, prioritizing passenger comfort and convenience.
The blind spot monitoring system actively scans for vehicles, providing an immediate visual alert on the side mirror when a potential collision is detected.
Reach to the center stack is good. Steering wheel buttons are intuitive. Adjusting the lumbar support now, yes, comfort levels are excellent.
We need to verify the alignment here.
Looks good on the diagnostics, but let's double check the torque on the rear wheels.
Everything clear on the engine side?
Test complete. Reviewing data now.
Visual inspection confirms 0 intrusion. Looks good for sign-off.
System check complete. Delivery route initializing. Route planning active.
Okay, activate the main power switch right there.
Yes, understood.
And remember to check your left mirror before releasing the brake.
Coach FB2547 assigned. Munich-Berlin route. Confirmed in the system. Understood.
Preparing for departure. Good evening. Please have your digital tickets ready as you step on board. We are heading to Munich and Prague today.
All passengers for the Berlin service, please have your digital tickets ready. We are now boarding at Gate 7.